Hey there, YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another unboxing. Usually on this channel, you see mostly Louis Vuitton unboxings. I did do one Chanel unboxing. I will link that video if you are new here and you haven't seen that video, or if you're watching and you haven't seen that video, go and check it out because I unboxed my first Chanel bag. So today I'm back. I have my bag, and then I have an accessory to go with my bag. Without further delay, I'm gonna try not to do too much talking today and get to the unboxing because I know that's what you're here for. So I'm gonna start with the smaller item. And like I said, in my collection as of now, I have one Chanel small classic flap, and I have two Chanel card holders. Okay, so this is the box that it came in. And if you are new here, these items come from a seller that I work with. These are not from the Chanel boutique. If you're new here and you don't know what my videos are mostly about, but this is from my favorite site. I will link that information below and also in the description box if you are interested in any of these items or some of the other items that they have. So it comes in this little dust bag, and there's some plastic. So let's take it out the plastic. Okay, so we have this wallet. I will put the information below and show just a little picture of this because I did some research, but I forgot all the information about the name for this wallet, so I will put that below. And a little card holder, and that's one of my favorite SLGs. I have plenty of card holders, but like I said, I just have two small Chanel ones, but I needed something a little bit bigger to keep my extra cards in. So this one holds a lot of cards. I know it may be hard to see the inside, but yeah, I would think probably about 20 cards. And then there's a pocket on the back where you can fit one or two more other cards there. And then the inside is a burgundy color. Like I said, it may be hard to see, but there's a burgundy color inside of there. And this is in, I believe, the lambskin, the soft leather. There she is. Actually, I'll leave her out because the next box kind of go together, and I'm going to use them together. Okay, let's see. Here, this to the side, and it comes in a little dust bag. And I apologize if my camera is like kind of moving. As you can see, it's moving on its own. I guess it's looking for, it's usually seeing a face or something, so I guess it's trying to make sure it's staying in frame and capturing, but it's just like moving around and it's kind of annoying. So the software that I'm using, something new. So inside the box you just have a little tag and then the information, two tags, the information about the bag. Let's open the dust bag. This is the vanity. We have a Chanel vanity. And like I said, I will put the information below on the exact name of the bag. And I'm going to take off some of this plastic and then I will come back to show you. Okay, so this is our vanity case with all the wrappings off. This is size small, I believe. I believe it also comes in a mini size. And then I believe there's a size that's larger than this, but I believe this is considered the small. So it is the vanity case with the handle, and I will show you the detail. Look at that beautiful double C on there on the top handle. That's very cute. I like details like that. And then the bottom, and you have your double C's at the bottom, and then the sides. And this is very soft. I believe this is lambskin. If you know anything about the Chanel, you know, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but it feels like the lambskin leather, just like my bag. My pink bag that I reveal is in lambskin, so this feels similar to that. Okay, so the inside, there is a mirror. This is a vanity case, like I said, so there is a mirror at the top. Let's take out these little parts in here. So you have spaces to put your cards if you don't want to take a card holder, but I plan to use my card holder inside of here. And as you can see, these are two different ones. This is in the gold and this is silver, but I'm okay. I mix metals all the time. My wedding band is white gold, and I wear yellow gold also, so I don't mind mixing metals. But yeah, so she can fit right down in here, and can't fit a whole lot. I'll put my phone case, make sure she can fit. That's important. It's a little, I have to get a smaller phone case because this is kind of bulky, but she can fit down in there. You can see. There's my card holder, and I think there's a little space for a lip gloss on the side. But in here, there's a little space there. There it is. A little space for your lipstick in the corner. I don't know if you guys can see it. And like a lotion and a perfume is all I'll really need. Like I said, this just for a date night, you know, somewhere where I'm not going to be all day, you know, gone all day. So I just wanted to have something small for date night. And I can even use my smaller card holder in here also if I want to add more things. So it just all depends on what you carry. But yeah, she's cute. So zip it up, put my phone case in there. Some people don't care much for like the double zips, but I love the detail of the double zips. Color the double C's up. So. But yeah, she's a little cutie. And it's not heavy at all with my essentials. And of course my phone will add a little bit more weight. But yeah. Camera's moving again. But we're trying to focus on the bag, not my bags in the background. Okay, so I just wanted to do that quick unboxing to show you another item. If Save Willis is watching this, thank you so much for sending these wonderful items, and I will be putting them to use. Oh, I forgot to show you, the box also came in, this was wrapped around the box with the information about the bag. So that was on there. And like I said, you get the dust bag if you order. You know, you're going to get all of these things. It's not just, you know, the ones that they send to influencers. You're going to get all of these things if you decide to order from them, and it'll come with the box, dust bag, all the wrappings and paper, ribbon, everything. And some people, like I said, this is a vanity case, but I just wanted to show you guys, I use this one for travel, so I won't be using this as a vanity. So, but this is my little small makeup case from LV, and then this one is the bigger one that I put my toiletries in. I'm just going to show you that makeup and everything in there from my last trip, so I cleaned her out. But yeah, that's what I use as my vanity, and I also have one or two other ones that I use sometimes. So she will be used as a purse. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, if you want more information about these items, Feel free to reach out to me with any questions that you have. And like I said, I will leave the information below. Okay? But until next time, take care. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.